Jeffrey, wake up.
What? Why? Chef Pistachio, I don't want to wake up right now.
Well, you need to help me get some supplies from the storage room.
Why?
Because I'm making an amazing masterpiece. Mwah.
Why?
Just come with me.
Okay.
Jeffrey, stop. All right, Jeffrey. This is where all of the supplies are from our masterpiece.
Okay.
All right, now let's open the door. Okay?
Alright. Okay. So I'm going to lock this door so no monsters come and steal supplies.
Hey, Jeffrey, I need help with this supply box.
Okay.
Come on, Jeffrey, I need help with this giant box.
Okay.
Can you hurry up?
No. Hold up, I'm gonna scratch my eye. Okay, what's up?
Long enough.
No, I still got a little bit to go.
All right, Jeffrey. I need help lifting this box.
Alright, we're gonna lift it to.
Outside.
The door's shut.
What do you mean the door's shut?
I locked it.
What do you mean you locked it?
I don't know, I locked it.
And what's that?
I don't know, but I'm hungry.
Wait, is that a key?
Yeah.
The key to the door?
Yeah.
And you just ate it?
Yeah.
I just heard it go down your stomach. Oh, God. Wait. We're trapped! Ah!
Wait, why are we screaming again?
Because we're stuck.
Why?
Why? Why this? Why to that? Why to everything?
Why are we stuck?
Because you ate the key and you locked it. Soon we're gonna run out of air because of your big fat nose.
No, we're not.
Yes, we are because you locked the door.
Why?
Somebody help us! Knocking at the door. It was no use. I'm never gonna make my mistakes. Jeffrey, there's a bat!
Oh, man! Okay, you killed him enough.
Okay, killed him enough. Oh, I killed the bat. Oh,
Yeah, I like bats. Are you gonna eat the bat?
No, we're not gonna eat the bat!
Alright.
We're gonna be in here forever. Oh, there's no use. Looks like we're gonna have to survive off of my masterpiece. Jeffrey, there's something I have to tell you.
What?
I never hated you. You're my best friend.
Oh,
That's the secret I never told you ever.
Hey, you wanna hear my secret?
What?
I lied.
What do you mean you lied? What did you lie about?
The door.
I mean the door.
I never locked it.
Wait, let me try this. Oh, you little... Ah! Ah! Cut.
Hi, yeah. Yeah, I am.
Oh, this is our masterpiece that we made.
Wow, it looks really delicious.
Little did you know it came from a dead bat.
Stop it.
Why? It came from a dead bat.
Oh, well, let me taste it first.
Okay.
Do you like it?
It tastes really good, actually.
It does?
Yes, it
Do you think it
does.
could be the #1 chef in the world?
Yes, it can.
Yes!
Yes.
My dream has come true! And I couldn't have done it without Jeffrey.
Why?